Hey guys, what if I told you that there was something you could do to make yourself stronger, run faster, and overall look better, but you have a ton of side effects that affect your mental health and can destroy your life? Would you still take it? I hope the answer is no, because it's definitely not worth it. And the thing that you can do to make yourself stronger, or that some people do, are anabolic steroids. And I'm going to be talking about the pros and cons of them and why people take them. My name is Ben Mello, and I'm credible to this topic because I've done a couple years of research and I've been working out for a while, and I've seen people that are on steroids and why you shouldn't take them. So, exactly what are anabolic steroids? So, anabolic steroids, according to Merriam-Webster, it's any of a group of usually synthetic hormones that are derivatives of testosterone, which are the prominent male hormone. They're usually medically, especially to promote tissue growth, and are sometimes abused by athletes to increase the size and strength of their muscles and improve endurance. So this is used a lot in sports. Mostly you see it everywhere. And that's why also I'm talking about this, is because it's increasing in popularity as more and more, because it makes you so much stronger and faster than everyone else. So first off, I'm going to talk about the pros of them, why people take them. It's right off the bat, increased muscle mass. You recover faster, you break down the muscle faster, which builds it up, and it just helps with the testosterone. It increases your endurance, which is another thing about increasing the testosterone, is that's all it does. So you don't have to wait to recover, so people can train twice as fast, which is very helpful in professional sports since you can have one up from your opponent. And the last thing is also decreased body fat. So if you're lighter and decreased body fat and have a lot of muscle mass, then you can run faster usually. And so that's why it's very helpful to use steroids, even though they're illegal. And now to the cons of anabolic steroids. So this is a bodybuilder champion named Ronnie Coleman that you see on the side over here. And so this is him on the right of him when he was in his prime. He was like the best bodybuilder in the world for 7 or 8 years consecutively. But that came with a lot of bad things, which was he abused steroids and used a lot of them. And as you can see in the left picture, that's him in the hospital. He actually had so steroids help your muscles but not your joints, and he had pushed his joints so far that the discs in his spine started to wear out. So he actually had to get them replaced, and he has to wear crutches now to keep on walking. So that's a kind of a crazy abuse of it for doing it for so long, like 20 years or something. And also you don't really see the mental cons, because it's poor mental health, because you have lack of judgment, you're just insecure, and it's not good for your brain because your hormones are disproportionate, as I say in the last point. It also enlarges your organs, which is not good, because then it can have higher blood pressure, which can have blood clots, and you can die you're more prone to heart attacks or strokes or stuff like that if you abuse it. So the takeaway is, don't do steroids. They're not good for you. They're illegal. They can make you end up like Ronnie Coleman. Yes, you can take a little bit, and it may not have the side effects. Everyone's different, but don't take them. Please don't. So again, the pros are just increased muscle mass, increased endurance, decreased body fat, which sounds pretty nice, but the long-term effects are very bad. So thanks for watching, and I hope you know not to take anabolic steroids. And here's my worksite where I got all my sources. So thank you, and have a great day.